If you're new to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and are eager to start investing in Bitcoin, you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking you on an in-depth journey through the process of Bitcoin investing using the beginner-friendly eToro platform. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to begin your Bitcoin investment journey. To get started, open your web browser and head to the eToro website. The link is also in the description below. Click on Join eToro to initiate the account creation process. From here, fill in your basic details such as your full name, email address, and a secure password. Familiarize yourself with the eToro platform's layout. Explore sections such as the watchlist, newsfeed, and portfolio. These features will help you stay informed and make educated investment decisions. Before you can start investing in Bitcoin, you need to fund your eToro account. Click on Deposit Funds and choose your preferred payment method. You can select between PayPal, debit card, or bank account as the type of payment method that you want to use. Follow the prompts to add funds to your account. In the eToro platform, use the search bar to find Bitcoin. Click on Trade to open the trading window for Bitcoin. Decide how much you want to invest in Bitcoin. You can input the exact amount in USD or specify the quantity of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Make sure that your funding account has enough money in it. eToro offers two ways to invest in Bitcoin: buying the actual asset or trading contracts for differences. Select the option that aligns with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Click on Open Trade to finalize your Bitcoin investment. Your investment will now be reflected in your eToro portfolio. Regularly check the performance of your Bitcoin investment through your eToro portfolio. Here you can track its value, set stop loss and take profit levels, and make adjustments as needed. eToro provides a unique social trading feature that allows you to follow and learn from experienced traders. Explore the copy trader feature to replicate the strategies of successful investors. Congratulations! You've completed your comprehensive journey through Bitcoin investing with eToro. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to embark on your investment journey with confidence. For more insightful content on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, investment strategies, and technology, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. We're here to support you as you venture into the world of cryptocurrency investing.